Did you know that the right laptop can boost your productivity by up to 50%? If you're a civil engineering student, you'll need a machine that handles heavy-duty software like AutoCAD and Revit while staying portable and reliable. Today, we're covering the 12 best laptops for civil engineering students in 2024. Whether you're looking for power, portability, or budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Laptop 1. Dell XPS 15. The Dell XPS 15 tops our list thanks to its balance of power and portability. With Intel i7 or i9 processors, NVIDIA GTX 1650 or RTX 3050 graphics, and up to 64 GB of RAM, it's more than capable of handling heavy-duty software like AutoCAD and Revit. Deep dive into features. One standout feature is the 4000-OLED display, which offers incredible color accuracy perfect for detailed work on blueprints and CAD models. The high-resolution screen ensures you can work with precision. Benchmark comparison. In terms of benchmarks, the XPS 15 scores around 6,000 points on Cinebench R23. And with 3D MARK Time Spy, it hits around 4,200. This means it's great for both everyday tasks and demanding software. Common concerns. However, thermal management is a concern for some users. Under heavy load, the laptop does get warm, but the thermal throttling is well controlled, so performance doesn't drop significantly. Pros and cons. Pros: stunning 4K display, excellent performance, premium build quality. Cons: expensive, and battery life could be better under heavy usage. Laptop 2. Apple MacBook Pro 2, 2023. The Apple MacBook Pro 2, 2023 is a surprising contender for civil engineering students. While Apple products aren't always associated with engineering, the M2 chip provides top-tier performance and excellent energy efficiency. Deep dive into features. The Retina display offers incredible sharpness and clarity, ideal for CAD work and design tasks. However, AutoCAD for Mac has some limitations compared to the Windows version, so compatibility with certain software is something to consider. Benchmark comparison. The MacBook Pro scores 1,400 on Cinebench single-core and 10,000 multi-core, with Geekbench scoring around 9,000. It excels in rendering times, thanks to the M2 chip. Common concerns. One common issue is software compatibility. While it runs great for MATLAB or light CAD work, heavier software like Revit might require running Windows via Boot Camp or virtualization software. Pros and cons. Pros: great battery life, top-tier performance, premium design. Cons: software limitations, expensive. Laptop 3. HP Spectre X36020-3. The HP Spectre X360 is a 2-in-1 laptop perfect for students who value flexibility. With Intel i7 and 16 GB RAM, it handles multitasking and light engineering software well. Deep dive into features. The standout feature here is the touch screen and 2-in-1 design, which allows you to take notes, sketch, and collaborate easily. The 1080p display is crisp, but it doesn't offer the same color accuracy or detail as the 4K displays on higher-end models. Benchmark comparison. The HP Spectre X360 scores around 4,500 on Cinebench R23 multi-core, making it suitable for light to moderate engineering tasks. Common concerns. This laptop isn't built for the heaviest 3D modeling or rendering tasks, and Intel Iris Xe graphics limit its performance for those purposes. Pros and cons. Pros: versatile 2-in-1 design, lightweight, touchscreen. Cons: not ideal for intensive 3D modeling or heavy software. Now let's take a look at a gaming laptop that doubles as an engineering powerhouse. Laptop 4. Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. The Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 is a compact, yet powerful laptop for civil engineering students. With its AMD Ryzen 9 and NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics, it can handle intensive 3D modeling and simulations. Deep dive into features. One of the highlights of this laptop is its compact size combined with gaming-level performance. The 120Hz display ensures smooth visuals, which is useful for both gaming and engineering tasks like rendering complex models. Benchmark comparison. In 3D MARK Time Spy, the Zephyrus G14 scores around 8,500, and Cinebench R23 multi-core scores reach 12,000, making it one of the top performers for 3D work. Common concerns. While the laptop is compact, It can run hot under load, so thermal management is something to keep an eye on, especially during extended rendering tasks. Pros and cons. Pros: compact and powerful, great for 3D modeling and simulations. Cons: tends to run hot under heavy load. Laptop 5. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 11 is perfect for civil engineering students who need a durable and reliable laptop. Known for its sturdy build, this laptop comes with Intel i7 and up to 32 GB of RAM, more than enough for handling large files and professional software like AutoCAD or STAAD Pro. Deep dive into features. One of its key features is the legendary keyboard, which makes long study sessions more comfortable. It also has military-grade durability, so it can survive the occasional drop or rough handling during field work. Benchmark comparison. In Cinebench R23, it scores around 6,000 multi-core, making it a solid performer for handling C80 software and multitasking. Common concerns. The only downside is that the Intel Iris E graphics may not be ideal for heavy 3D rendering tasks, but it's great for 2D drafting and moderate 3D design. Pros and cons. Pros: durable, reliable, great keyboard. Cons: limited GPU performance for intensive 3D tasks. Laptop 6. MSI Creator Z16. The MSI Creator Z16 is built for creators, but works just as well for civil engineering students, especially those working on 3D rendering and simulations. With Intel i9 processors and NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics, it's one of the more powerful options on this list. Deep dive into features. The 16:10 display offers more vertical screen real estate, which is great for multitasking and working on large engineering projects. The high refresh rate ensures smooth visuals when rendering complex 3D models. Benchmark comparison. It scores around 13,000 in Cinebench R23 multi-core and 8,000 in 3D Mark Time Spy, making it excellent for demanding tasks like 3D rendering or structural analysis. Common concerns. This laptop tends to be on the pricier side and can run warm during intense workloads, but it's worth it for those who need high-end performance. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent for 3D rendering, beautiful display. Cons: expensive, can run hot during heavy tasks. Laptop 7. Razer Blade 15. The Razer Blade 15 is another gaming laptop that doubles as a powerful tool for civil engineering students. With Intel i7 or i9 processors and NVIDIA RTX 3070 or 3080 graphics, it's perfect for 3D modeling and rendering software. Deep dive into features. The QHD to 140Hz display ensures smooth visuals and color accuracy, making it ideal for students working on detailed designs. It also offers great thermal management for long study sessions. Benchmark comparison. The Razer Blade 15 scores around 12,000 multi-core in Cinebench R23 and 10,000 in 3D Mark Time Spy, making it one of the highest performers on this list. Common concerns. Like many gaming laptops, the Razer Blade 15 is expensive and tends to get hot under heavy loads. However, its powerful GPU and sleek design make it worth considering for civil engineering students focused on high-end 3D modeling. Pros, cons. Pros: powerful GPU, sleek design. Cons: expensive, can run hot. Laptop 8. Acer Predator Helios 300. If you're looking for performance on a budget, the Acer Predator Helios 300 is a great choice. With Intel i7 and NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphics, it handles 3D modeling and simulations without breaking the bank. Deep dive into features. The 144Hz display offers smooth performance, and its budget-friendly price makes it one of the more accessible options for students who need good 3D graphics without spending too much. Benchmark comparison. It scores around 10,000 in Cinebench multi-core and 7,500 in 3D Mark Time Spy, offering great performance at a more affordable price. Common concerns. The Acer Predator Helios 300 is heavier than some other laptops on this list and has average battery life, but it's hard to beat for the price. Pros and cons. Pros: great value for money, solid performance. Cons: heavier, average battery life. Now let's take a look at a creative powerhouse. Laptop 9. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio is perfect for students who value creativity and flexibility. It's great for running AutoCAD, Revit, and Adobe tools with its Intel i7 and NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics. Deep dive into features. The touchscreen and studio mode are especially useful for students who like to sketch ideas or work on detailed designs. Its 2-in-1 functionality offers a lot of versatility for students on the go. Benchmark comparison. It scores 9,000 in Cinebench R23 multicore and 6,500 in 3D Mark x SPI, making it a solid choice for both creative and engineering tasks. Common concerns. It's slightly more expensive for what you get in terms of GPU power, but the flexibility and stylus support make it worth considering for creative engineers. Pros and cons. Pros: versatile modes, excellent for creativity and engineering. Cons: higher price, lower-end GPU compared to others on this list. Next, let's look at a lightweight but powerful option. Laptop 10. LG Gram 17. The LG Gram 17 is perfect for students who need a lightweight laptop that's still powerful enough for civil engineering tasks. With Intel i7 and 16GB RAM, it handles engineering software with ease while being incredibly easy to carry. Deep dive into features. It's known for being ultralight, under 3 pounds, which makes it great for carrying to and from classes or on-site visits. The 17-inch screen is also great for working on detailed designs without straining your eyes. Benchmark comparison. It scores around 6,500 in Cinebench R23 multicore, which is good for moderate engineering tasks, though the Intel Iris graphics aren't ideal for intensive 3D modeling. Common concerns. The LG Gram 17 isn't built for heavy rendering tasks due to its integrated graphics, but for portability and lighter engineering tasks, it's a winner. Pros and cons. Pros: ultra lightweight, long battery life. Cons: not built for intensive 3D tasks. Now for a high-end workstation that's built for professionals. Laptop 11. HP's Book Fury G8. If you're looking for professional-grade performance, the HP's Book Fury G8 is the answer. With Intel i9 and NVIDIA RTX A5000 graphics, this workstation is built for handling large files, intensive simulations, and complex structural designs. Deep dive into features. It's designed for professional engineers who need high-performance computing for tasks like 3D modeling, finite element analysis, and structural simulations. The 4K display also makes it great for precision work. Benchmark comparison. With a Cinebench R23 score of 15,000 multicore and 12,000 in 3D Mark x SPI, this laptop is built for the most demanding tasks. Common concerns. It's expensive and overkill for most students, but if you need a workstation for professional level work, this is one of the best options available. Pros and cons. Pros: unmatched performance, perfect for professionals. Cons: extremely expensive, heavy. Laptop 12. Asus TUF-F15. The Asus TUF-F15 is a budget-friendly gaming laptop that delivers solid performance for civil engineering students. With an Intel i7 processor and NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics, it's capable of handling 3D modeling and rendering tasks without breaking the bank. Deep dive into features. The 144Hz display is great for smooth visuals, and its durable build quality ensures it can survive the wear and tear of student life. Benchmark comparison. It scores around 7,500 in Cinebench R23 multicore and 6,000 in 3D Mark x SPI, making it a good option for students who need decent performance at a lower price point. Common concerns. The Asus TUF-F15 is heavier and lacks the premium features of higher-end models, but for the price, it offers fantastic value. Pros and cons. Pros: affordable, solid performance. Cons: heavier, fewer premium features. That wraps up our list of the 12 best laptops for civil engineering students in 2024. Which laptop are you considering? Let me know in the comments, and if you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews.